Hey gardeners! Today I've got some amazing tips for you on how to transform your garden using everyday household items you probably already have lying around. These 15 simple hacks will help you maintain a healthy, vibrant garden without spending a fortune. Let's dive in! Soap. Soap isn't just for cleaning. Scrape your nails with soap before gardening to prevent dirt buildup. You can also dilute liquid soap in water and spray it on plants to keep pests like aphids at bay. Chalk sticks. Chalk isn't just for kids. Bury 2 chalk sticks near plants like tomatoes and peppers. This slow-release calcium helps boost plant growth and yields a healthier harvest. Turmeric. Sprinkle turmeric around plants to deter ants, and mix it into the soil to fight fungal gnats and root rot. A turmeric solution can also heal tree wounds and grafts, making it a must-have in your garden. Vinegar. White vinegar can clean rusty tools and enhance blooming in acid-loving plants like roses. Use it as a soil drench or spray it to repel pests and control powdery mildew. Baking soda. Neutralize odors in your compost pile with baking soda, or mix it with flour to combat cabbage worms. You can also spray a baking soda solution to encourage blooming in plants with flower buds. Asafoetida. This pungent spice works wonders for treating leaf curl disease and repelling garden pests. Mix it with buttermilk for an effective natural spray. Charcoal. Use hardwood charcoal at the bottom of pots for better drainage and lightweight containers. Mixed with soil, it acts as a fungicide and even helps fight off pests. Alum. Boost flowering with alum. Dilute it in water for soil acidity, or use it in high concentrations as a pesticide. It's even effective against mosquito larvae when sprinkled on stagnant water. Banana peels. Banana peels are a great organic potassium source. Soak them in water to create a powerful fertilizer that promotes flowering and fruiting. Aloe vera. Speed up rooting by applying aloe vera gel to your cuttings. A diluted aloe vera solution also promotes faster germination in seeds. Onion peels. Rich in nutrients, onion peels can be soaked in water and used as a monthly fertilizer. They make a great organic mulch too. Tea and coffee grounds. Don't toss out tea and coffee grounds. They're perfect for boosting flowering in plants like roses and hibiscus. You can even use them in your compost for extra nutrients. Cinnamon. Cinnamon is a natural antifungal agent. Sprinkle it around seedlings to prevent disease and dip cuttings into cinnamon powder to encourage rooting. Eggshells. Eggshells are packed with calcium. Crush them, add vinegar, and create a powerful calcium-rich solution to help with plant growth and prevent calcium deficiency. Aspirin. Aspirin contains salicylic acid, which helps plants fight diseases and promotes rooting. Simply dissolve some in water and give your plants a health boost. With these clever household hacks, you'll save money and keep your garden thriving. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more gardening tips. Happy gardening!